So guys, we have followed all the steps mentioned in the video. Uh, so now we installed the Windows 10 operating system into the Lumia 950. We also copy the BCD files, non-integrity checks, just all the checks done. Then we just rebooted the phone. As you see, the Windows 10 is loading now. If you see this small little round icon, it says the Windows is just loading. So give it some minutes, few minutes. I think it might take around 5 to 10 minutes for the first load to happen, and you're gonna just see uh, the screens. So whenever we load for the first time, we will get an error. Uh, it is like it's a common error whenever we load for the first time. Uh, we get that blue screen error. Uh, so not to worry. You can see the guide. There are few things written. Ideally, when you get a blue screen, you need to just restart it. Even after restarting, if you get the blue screen, remove the battery once and place it back and restart it. So just wait. So as you can see, the Windows 10 is loading, starting services, getting devices ready, getting ready. So we almost there. Loading it. Few more minutes. Windows 10 will be loaded. So in the meantime, what I just wanted to say was, uh, whenever we start Windows, I think first boot we will definitely get this blue screen error. So I'm sure even I'll be getting it now. So that's not an issue. That's the common thing for whenever we boot first, we get the blue screen error. So the solution is to just restart the phone. So not one restart the phone, and the Windows 10 should kick in, should start. Hmm. So the first boot normally takes 5 to 10 minutes. So just hold on. So till it starts, let me just walk you through the guide. Okay, I'm just switching my phone to the guide. Okay, just a minute, let me just off my Wi-Fi. Yeah, yes. Okay. Okay, so this okay. If you see this particular guide, this is the Windows 10 guide. So let me just go to the main steps, recap everything to you. Yeah. So basically, first you need to download the required files such as bootstream, EFI, EMMC, appboot.mbm, LK loader, that is the one, and UEFI.elf. This is for Lumia 950. No, this for the Lumia. See, there are two UEFI.elf, one for 950 XL and 950. You can check with the group to get the correct UEFI files, or if you just click on the links, you can get this. And next it says you need a Windows ARM 64 ISO file. Basically, you just click this link, it will take you to that website, and there you can download the ARM version. You need to select the ARM version and select the latest build. I think it would be better to select a build around build 17661. I've also tested on the latest build, you can use that. uh, okay, then yeah, just scrolling down. So okay, so I think all know how to download with the build. Okay, here it is written use build 17686. After you can use the build of this build also good. I've not tested, but I've tested the other one as I told you. So the latest build also works. You can use that. So next, uh, you need to download this minimum driver package. Uh, so basically, there are a few folders there. For Lumia 950 XL, you can install the stable package drivers, whereas for Lumia 950, in the stable folder, I guess you'll get PEP. But please don't install that. Apart from that, you can install other drivers there, stable drivers, not the testing folders, only the stable folders. Then developer menu, if you want to add a developer menu whenever your phone screen starts, that is the place where you can add developer menu. Your Windows, it's like boot screen will show three options: developer menu, Windows 10 operating system, and Windows Phone Loader. So you can create that also. I will discuss on that later. I will create a video and upload that. Okay, now first what we did is first step. Uh, Fully charge your phone 100%. Okay, then make sure in the you're in the proper build. So we use Windows device recovery tool for flashing into the proper operating system. Then we shut down rebooted the phone. Then we flashed via the internals tool. So WP internal tool, there's a Windows Phone internal tools, right? In Windows Phone internal tools, to unlock a bootloader, you need to download the files. You go to the download section, select all, and download. And this Lumia 950 XL uses Secure Boot 2, so automatically anyway the Windows Phone internals will download the file. So just flash it there. Next, then after flashing, go to just MSM mode. Okay, then MSM mode. Okay, MSM mode. Then first step would be shrinking your storage space to for the installation of Windows 10 on the Windows Phone. So you need a space of around 18 GB. So shrink your data disk partition. Don't touch other partitions. Just go to when you're in mass storage mode. Type hard disk manager. You'll get window disk. I think it should be disk one, where it will list out all your phone partitions. In that, go to data partition. Named it will be named as data. Just right click, shrink, put as 18 GB, so that your data main will become 7.8 GB. That's required, and your 18 GB will be an unallocated space, which will be used for further steps. Then first, use the gparted tool to create ext4 partitions. That is, we need to create two ext4 partitions, boot and UFVRS. As I told you in the videos, please see my other videos how to create boot and UFVRS. Then once the ext4 partition, okay, one important thing which I wanted to tell you: don't use other partitions tools, because that will definitely mess up your Windows Phone. So every time, as I tell you, just use gparted tool. That is the best tool to create the ext4 partitions. Okay, coming to the next step. Once the partitions are created, now you need to go to main OS. It's there in the Word document. You need to go to main OS, EFI, ESP, EFI boot, then copy the bootshim.efi there, and then you need to go to apps boot. Then you need to copy the apps boot in file to the main OS, EFI, ESP, MMC folder. I've created video, so it's already there. Then you need to do the BCD editing part. I think BCD editing part, it's simple. Okay, then okay, one moment, let's go back to the Windows Phone. It's in the blue screen error. Yeah, as you can see, this is the blue screen error. You getting? Yeah. So nothing, you need to just restart it. Yes. restart it. And this is the boot shell menu, and this is the clock, 10 9 seconds. If you see, it is reducing there, so wait for it. Yes. Okay. Sorry. So I'm taking video from the Lumia 640 phone. That is one of the best phone. Okay, now coming back to the topic, if you see the Windows 10 symbol came again. It is loading. So let's hold on. It's gonna load. It's gonna take little time. See, as I told you that time, whenever we do the first boot, it will take around 5 minutes or 7 minutes. Then you'll get a blue screen error, which I showed you there. Okay, so next, let's wait for the screen to load. Okay, going back to the video. Now going for the back to the guide. Let's come back to the phone later. So where I was in the BCD editing step. Once the BCD editing step is completed, uh, we just reboot the phone. Reboot the phone. So your bootshim entry should boot entry should be visible there, because we added the code in the BCD editing section. So once a boot entry is there, click that, and you will get a screen like a lot of like letters. So then what you need to do is you need to you need to copy this fastboot to a folder, then open the command prompt, go to the first cd fastboot, then use this command, the fastboot flash boot. You copy your uefi.elf file there and flash it, this command fastboot flash boot, and then like this appears saying all okay, right? So if this is the message, then you type next command fastboot continue, then it should show the boot menu screen, that is this one. If this comes up, then your boot section is ready. Then next step, then again go back to the master storage mode. Then if your image just mount it, and you okay just mount it. Okay, you downloaded. Then first thing, see, we had created unallocated space array, so we need to create partitions. So create partitions for system. Create a size of 400 MB, that's good for the system, and assign letter as same, and let's create partition primary, then SNW letter, and use the DSM tools to install the operating system and drivers as mentioned in the guide, and then create the boot files to the S drive, then integrity checks and restart. Then here, congrats. Now if you see here, now we are loading to the Windows 10 PC screen. Yes, correct. As you all see, we are just loading it. Just a moment, it is just loading. And all I've been waiting for this particular moment. Just loading and loading. Yes. Let's just give it a few minutes. Okay, we got it. Yes, good. Let's start with reason. So as you see, yes, the first is the region. I selected US. You can select your own. Better you select okay, when you download the package, you would have selected different languages. I think all the languages work here. And this is the keyboard. I just select yes. I don't want the secondary keyboard. Just press skip. Just a moment. Screen dims a little, and now going back. It's gonna load any moment. Yes, just a minute. It is gonna load. Yep, 15 minutes. So as I told you, uh, it's already 15 minutes now, but we have loaded successfully loaded the operating system. Okay, now it says let's connect to your network. Just say skip for now. Then connect time later. Just say connect now to same time later. No. And this is the Windows 10 agreement, and just select accept it. And this is the place where we need to type our name. When you do this, the keyboard pops up, as you can see the screen, and I type my, just say it's Sandy, and click next. I don't want a password, just select next. If you want a password, you can put it. As of now, I don't want a password. Later also you can create a password, so it's fine. So do you want Cortana personal assistant? Just say yes. So this I just wanted to tell you that now I have installed the latest build in this. I just say yes. So this is the Windows 10 ARM Professional Edition. Just say accept, just accept, and just proceed faster till you get the low. Okay, now it just went off, and yeah, just a moment, just loading. So as I was telling you, this is the Windows 10 Professional Edition. I have another Lumia 950 where I've been installed a slightly little a different build which has the Windows 10 Home Edition. So both work fine. No lag as such. The first boot may take little time, and once you're in the phone, once you're in the start menu screen, I think it's good to see a wonderful operating system in a phone. um, so it was like a dream come true where I had a dream where somehow we need to make Windows run on a phone. So this is the major step. Thanks to all the developers um, who have worked very hard and are also working hard to bring all the drivers in action. So almost I guess 80-85% the work is completed, 15% work is remaining. Yes. So it's still loading. I'm gonna just stop. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Still loading. Just a moment. It will take time actually. It takes a lot of time actually to load. So YouTube, okay. Okay, so in the meantime, let me just show. Okay, you're already, yeah. Yes. So successfully, if you see, we are booted to the Windows 10 operating system. This is the. I'll just show you the build. Let one moment. It says Windows 10 Pro inside a preview. Okay, whenever you. So congratulations if you have successfully done it. Now the first step would be increase the display size. At the initial start, the display will be very less. The size of the display will be very less. Icons and all will appear smaller in size. So let's make it larger. So swipe from the right to the left. So click on okay, expand it. You can click on all settings. I'm just loading it. Just a moment. I know little. I will let you know once the screen is visible. Okay, so I'm just going near the this one here. Okay, now if you see, you need to click system. Yes. Now, as you can see here, display is a 100% recommended, where you can just click here and you can select to 175. Sorry. And any movement, you should see the screen shifting to a large. This one. 1 second, my video is little kind of blurred out. 1 second. Yeah, as you can see now. Okay. Now just close this. Now back to this. It's loading. Yes, it's loaded. Congratulations. Yes, so we are in the Windows 10 operating system. Yes. Now once you have loaded to the Windows 10, uh, you need to follow one more step. You need to do a one more step. As you see here, the battery icon is not there, so see the guide or see my videos on how to add the battery there. So battery adding is simple. You need to go to MSM mode, then in your PC go to CMD, then same DSM tool, install the battery driver. Then what you need to do, you need to go to in the PC, there's a regedit, go and add the battery registry to the Windows this system, Windows phone system, Windows this ARM installation file. So it is written in the guide. Otherwise, what you can do is you can always uh, see my videos which has that installation part also. Okay, anyway, congrats and thanks a lot. And okay, one more thing here you need to do is, if in the first boot, um, okay, as you can see, this is screen now. Okay, let me just go here and one moment. Actions recommended. Yeah. So 1 second, I'm just trying to load something here. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, this here also you can switch to a tablet mode also in the PC. So I will show it in the later videos. Now first step, we will need to go to settings. Okay, then it is opening for the first time. Then go to system, then go to power. Okay, just load, not going. Sorry that my okay, power and sleep. Yes. Now click additional power settings. Sorry, I've not clicked it. Yeah. Any moment. Yeah. Sorry, it is there here already. Now click choose what the power button does. Yes. Change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the first one. This will make sure that your phone shut downs properly. So what we did is choose what the power button does. Sorry, go back. Okay, and this tick. Okay, fine. Now properly shut it down. Sorry, you are not seeing where is the shutdown button, right? Okay. Okay, now here shut down, and it properly shut downs. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks.